Greetings, welcome to Shona. In this installment, I'm going to share with you some Shona words that are borrowed from the Afrikaans language. The Afrikaans language is spoken mostly in South Africa and Namibia, but its influence goes beyond the borders of these two countries. So we actually have Shona words that are originally from the Afrikaans language, and I'll share with you 10 of those words for now. We start with the first word, that is Dhorobha. Dhorobha. In Afrikaans it's Dorp, and the English word in red is town. So that's how we got to call a town Dhorobha in Shona. Second one is Purazi. In Afrikaans it's Plaas, which is a farm. And that's a farmer's shoe, by the way, farmer's shoe. And here's a farmer's shirt. The Shona word Hembe is from the Afrikaans word Hemp, which means shirt. But we generally use it for clothes, not just a shirt. Hembe could mean a shirt or other clothes that you wear. Rokwe is from rock, which is a dress. Bhurukwa is from the word Broek, which means shorts or pants. Tafura is from the word Tafel, which means table. Bhururu is from the Afrikaans word Bhururu, which means brother. But in Shona, Bhururu, the meaning is more like friend, a very good friend, a very close friend. That's what you call a Bhururu. A friend who is closer than a brother. Right. Bhadhara. Betaal in Afrikaans. And that means to pay using money. Dhura is from the Afrikaans word Duur, which means expensive in English. Last but not least, Tsvigiri is Suiker in Afrikaans, which means sugar. So here are the 10 words that we have covered. Dhorobha from Dorp, Purazi from Plaas, Hembe from Hemp, Rokwe from Rock, Bhurukwa from Broek, Tafura from Tafel, Bhururu from Bhururu, Bhadhara from Betaal, Dhura from Duur, Tsvigiri from Suiker. Please pardon me with my Afrikaans pronunciation. I'm not a native African speaker, so I may have mispronounced some of the words. Thank you for watching. Chisarai Zvakanaka. See you in the next installment. Bye-bye.